Now.
Well, as we come with you at 12:30, jury deliberations are on pause today in Lenawee County in the Dale Warner murder trial after a juror had an emergency. Our Shaun Hegarty, who's been covering this case from the beginning, just back from Adrian. So what happened today?
All right, so this morning the jury deliberations were going to resume. There are 12 jurors. The court finds out that one of the jurors has an emergency.
Okay.
So they were trying to figure out what to do with that. Could they come in or not? The decision was made to go ask some of the alternate jurors that were let go yesterday if they felt like they could serve. The issue was that the 3 jurors that came back today were not told yesterday to ignore media, or they weren't allowed to talk to their family members. So they came in and told the judge they talked to their family members. Some of them watch media. So you see the judge right there, he was asking them questions. What did they see? What did they talk about last night? And did they feel like they could serve? They went through the 3 alternates that they had available to them today. And after those decisions were made and the conversations happened, the judge said, we're going to stop today. We're going to come back on Tuesday. And the hope that is that the juror that has the emergency today will be available Tuesday for the deliberations to start again.
Okay, so are those 3 alternates then that they were already dismissed from
Dismissed yesterday. And again, we're not told to ignore media and ignore talking about it. That's important because in some cases they are told they are to ignore media and not to talk to family members. Yesterday, they were not told that. So those alternates did not make a mistake. They did nothing wrong.
So were they in the courtroom today? Again?
They were brought in today. They
okay.
would listen to all the testimony for the last 3 to 4 weeks now. So there were 16 total. 4 were dismissed yesterday. That other person, for some reason, was not brought back today. I'm still trying to get that information. So they had 12 that started deliberation yesterday. The 3 were brought back today to see if they could replace the 1. It's a lot of math, I know. And it does not appear that that was the case, that they could do that. So they're going to try to get that emergency person back on Tuesday for deliberations.
Sure. And ultimately, the judge has the final say. Was there any word from the prosecution or the defense fighting this decision?
The defense is the only side that asked several questions. Of the 3 that came back today, the prosecution did not. They all went behind closed doors. We presume they all talked. And it appears the decision is, let's try to get the juror with the emergency today to come back on Tuesday.
Okay. And just for those people who have not been following this, maybe you need to catch up wherever you stream 13 Action News. This trial had actually been slated for many, many weeks and wrapped up much earlier than expected. So they have some wiggle room here as far as timing goes?
Certainly do have some wiggle room, but if you don't have enough jurors, there may not be a lot of wiggle room.
Okay. Well, of course, I know you'll be back up there Tuesday.
Back there Tuesday, absolutely.
We'll be streaming that so you can stay up to speed anywhere you stream 13 Action News. Thanks, Shaun. We appreciate it.